How to fix Instagram not linking on TikTok profile. So in order to fix your issue, first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to launch Google Play Store, then go to search. From here, search for TikTok. From here, tap on the application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the TikTok application is updated to its latest version. This would fix all the app issues and bug errors, and you will also be getting the latest features on the application. Now for the next step, you can go ahead and tap on uninstall and then reinstall TikTok application again in order to fix your issue. Now if this is not working, go ahead and open settings. From here, scroll down below and go to apps. From here, you can directly search for TikTok. Tap on it. Now once you come here, go ahead and tap on storage. Now over here at the bottom right, you'll see clear cache. Tap on it. Now, if these steps are not working, one thing you have to note down is that in certain regions, there is no option to directly add Instagram link on your TikTok profile. So make sure that if that feature is available on your region or not. If it's not available, what you can do is open TikTok application. From here, make sure that you are on the profile category. Then go to edit. Now over here, go ahead and tap on bio. And from here, you can go ahead and paste the Instagram link of your profile that you have copied. Then tap on save. And with that, you will be able to add Instagram link on your TikTok profile this way. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.